everyone, it's Radhika. Welcome back to Datazard. I'm back with an interesting challenge. If you like the content, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Today I'm going to show solution to Workout Wednesday 2021 Week 3 Power BI challenge. In this, we just have to add extra functionality to the solution that we did for Workout Wednesday 2021 Week 2 challenge. So let's get started. I have now opened the same file that I created for 2021 week 2 challenge. And the first thing that we need to do is add a ear slicer. So from the visuals, I'm going to add slicer. Ensure that you choose slicer which is the old slicer, not the new one, because new one will not give you an option for a drop down, which is what we need for this challenge. So I'm clicking this old slicer visual. And in the data, I am adding ear. And in slicer settings, I am choosing drop down. Let's just decrease the size a bit and put it in the top right corner. Now, the next thing that we need to do is whenever these slicer selections are done, we don't want these trend lines to change. We only want the selection in the slicer to change either these KPIs or these bar charts. For that, we click on this slicer, go to format, and then edit interactions. And then these little icons will show up, and then we will just click on these icons, which will stop the interaction. Now, to double check that it works, we just select one of the ears and can see these KPIs are changing and these bar charts are changing, but the trend lines they stay the same. The next thing that we need to check for is when we select any of these bar charts, both the KPIs and the trend lines change. So when I click this, I can see both my KPIs and trend line changing. So that interaction, we need to keep it as is. Next thing that we need to do is change the colors of these charts. So I have got the hex code which are used in the challenge. So you click on the trend line, go to lines, and then color, and then I'm going to copy the hex code here. Similarly for tax expenses, total expenses, I'm going to copy the hex code, and then yellow for total profits. I'm going to cascade the same colors here. So in bars, first one is this color, then a darker blue, and then yellow. Now we need to figure out how much money Mac conference made in 2016. So we first select the year 2016, and in total revenues, we see the Mac conference. It's showing 0 billion because it has a decimal value. So let's just go to data labels, and in values, give it one decimal place. Let's do it for all of these so we get the decimal one, at least one decimal value. And for Mac conference, it's 0.4 billion. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one.